Do that again. Say it again. Let's see. There we go. Got real cord. Oh, it's got oil in it.
Yeah. It's almost full.
Damn.
It's only about a third or like a quarter of a quart low. Not even a half a quart low.
This joker.
Oil. Doesn't particularly look all that bad. Doesn't seem to be any collection of anything in it.
Yeah.
I don't feel anything in the oil. I don't see anything on the stick.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean there's nothing in the pan.
You want me to grab you a rag?
I'm good, thank you.
Alright.
But I got a rag right here. I'm wearing it. It's called work jeans.
Alright.
Wow, let's check some shit out. And we understand. Hey, look right here.
Yeah.
Here's a shot of that.
9 times out of 10, if we can get it running, get the brakes straight.
How about this lush interior? I mean,
Yes.
Wow.
Yes,
Beautiful.
yes. Finest interior, folks. There you go.
Now,
There's your problem.
this could be a problem, but we don't know yet. I guess we'll find out. Well, let's see here. Oh, dude.
Huh?
Cardinal fin.
What's that?
Cardinal fin. Look at this. These are original old school aviators.
Look at the, and they have been sat
They
upon.
have been defiled. Oh.
Nothing can be done with them.
God, I don't know. I almost want to try to fix them. They're fucking vintage, man. They're
Hell
awesome.
yeah, fix them.
I don't know. We'll take them with. Alright. First of all, no clutch.
No clutch.
Don't know why. We'll have to figure that out. And, of course, we knew that was going to be a big old problem.
Yeah, no brake.
No brakes as well. Alright, cool. Switch here. The wires coming off that son of a bitch. Ain't got a couple wires coming off. Okay. Pop the switch out right quick. We'll put a battery in it. That ain't gonna start her.
Ain't got no starter.
Shit. Alright, I wonder if Dad's got a starter.
Dad?
Yeah, like an old one laying around.
I know what starter will work on it.
Well, you ain't doing that.
I know.
We might be able to find one somewhere.